Hello, Smile Champions. It's Erin here again. And today, for Dental Diaries, today we're spotlighting a checkup kit. It's called a checkup kit because it's got the first things that we use in the dental surgery to check your teeth. The dentist will bring these out. I've opened it just so that I can show you, but it always comes in a sterilization pouch because we always sterilize all the instruments that we use apart from the ones that are disposables. So the 3-in-1 tape I showed you before, they are disposables, and the saliva rejectors and the highest volume suction, they're all disposables, so we don't use them twice. But these ones, we use them more than once, but we sterilize them like I showed you. Like I took them out of a pouch. It's still quite warm because it's just out of the autoclave. I'll show you the autoclave one of these days. So the dentist would use this to check your teeth, to see what's in your mouth, all the surfaces of your mouth, that's, just to see everything properly. And this is a sickle probe. It's a probe, but there are other types of probes. They're straight ones, but this is sickle, depending on the dentist's choice. But it's a probe, so the dentist will use it to check for decay and check for stuff and take out stuff, just flick out stuff. And that's why it's important that you wear your goggles so that whatever is flicked out doesn't go in your eye. So this also is used to take out cotton roll, cotton wool, and anything debris in your mouth during your visit, so, and then put stuff in your mouth, like take a cotton roll and put it in your mouth. So they're all making sure that we give you the right equipment. We use the right equipment to ensure that your safety is of utmost importance to us. So, and then making sure that you get all the clinical help that you need. So that's it for today on Dental Diaries. See you next time. Bye for now.